Hey guys, I'm Jonathan here at the Alma Coffee Roastery. Today we're gonna brew on a V60. It's my favorite go-to method. We're gonna be making our honey process today. It's a nice sweet cup of coffee, but you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need some freshly boiled water with a gooseneck kettle. We've got our V60, we've got our filter, and we've got our freshly ground coffee. This recipe is great for 2 servings of coffee, but feel free to adjust as needed. First, we're going to want to pre-wet the filter with hot water. This is going to remove any paper taste, and it's also going to pre-warm our carafe, but we'll be sure to pour this water out before we start brewing. Next, you're going to want to add 30 grams of your favorite Alma coffee roast, ground medium fine. We recommend starting a timer and blooming the coffee by pouring 60 milliliters of hot water over the grounds in a circular motion. Go ahead and give it a little swirl to ensure that your grounds are wet. It's going to set you up for a more even extraction. Wait about 30 seconds, let that coffee bloom, and in the meantime, take in those amazing aromas. After you've waited about 30 seconds, go ahead and slowly pour hot water over the coffee grounds in circular motions until you've reached 300 milliliters. Then we're going to wait till about 1 minute 15 seconds, and then we'll pour the following 200, which will bring us up to 500 milliliters. We'll go ahead, wait a moment, give it another swirl. That's going to help with the even extraction, and then wait. Alright, our coffee's done. We hit right around the 3-minute mark. Now it's time to taste. So we'll discard our filter there, give this a little swirl, pour, and enjoy.